How to fix the Wuthering Waves stock loading problem. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the issue with the Wuthering Waves that is stuck in the loading screen. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Wuthering Waves application on your mobile device. For that, go to Play Store and simply search for Wuthering Waves and then click on install. But if you have already installed it on your device and if you see an update button over there, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now after this app has been installed in your device, open your settings and scroll down and go to apps. Now from here, simply scroll down and search for the application, or you can simply use the search bar at the top. Then type in Wuthering Waves, and once you find it, click on it. Then scroll down and go to storage, and then click on clear cache and also click on clear data. Now after that, come back, try first stopping this application and also try uninstalling this application completely from your device. Tap on OK, and after that, go to Play Store, search for Wuthering Waves and click on install. Also try restarting your entire device and then relaunch the application. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can fix the Wuthering Waves stuck in the loading screen problem. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.